Hi friends, in this video we can see about H parameter, which is hybrid parameter. In the previous video we see about ABCD parameters, which is a transmission parameters, and then in the two-port network we saw about basic two-port network formula and the reciprocity table for solving the different parameters. Okay, in this we can see the hybrid parameter. Okay, see the question. Find the H parameter for the network shown. Here the given network is a pi network and combined with the one series resistor. Okay, actually here the given network is a pi network 224. This is nothing but this is network equivalent pi network, and this should be converted into a T network. Okay, delta should be converted into a T network. Okay, and then we just form the T parameter matrix. This is nothing but this equivalent pi network should be converted into T matrix, T network. Okay, and then we just obtain this T network matrix. This is the corresponding T network that is just be obtained from the above pi network. Okay, that is nothing but we convert pi to Y transformation. Okay, from this we may obtain the Z parameter matrix. This is the T network, and then from this we can obtain the Z parameter matrix. Okay, for Z matrix the corresponding Z1 will be the addition of these two resistor values. Okay, which is Z1 and Z2, that is 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 5 by 2. Okay, and then 1 will become as such as Z11, which is Z12 is equal to Z21. Okay, then which is 11, and then Z22 is nothing but a combination of these two resistor values. Okay, so Z22 will be 2. Okay, then the corresponding Z matrix will be Z is equal to 5 by 2, 1 and 1 by 2. Okay, this is obtained from this T network. And then next we need to find out the del Z value. Okay, we need to find out the del Z value. Del Z is equal to 5 by 2 into 2 minus 1, which is equal to 4. Okay, then from the reciprocity condition table, this condition is obtained from the table which we seen in the before video, reciprocity table. This table is nothing but for converting Z matrix into the corresponding H matrix. Okay, Z converting into H parameter. Okay, for this only this table we saw. Okay, this formula we need. Okay, so the corresponding matrix will be H is equal to del Z by Z22, Z12 by Z22 minus Z21 by Z22, and then 1 by Z22. Okay, then we will be substituting the obtained values, del Z value and the corresponding Z parameter values in this equation, and then we just obtain the equivalent format, which is 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 2. Okay, this is the final H parameter matrix for the given network. Okay, this is the final H parameter matrix for the given H parameter network shown. Okay, it will be clear by seeing the another H parameter network. Okay, actually see the question. Find the H parameter for the given resistor network, which this network has only 2 resistor values and there is no any other resistor values in the output part. Okay, so So we need to consider the network which is without any rest values in the output part as which is nothing but 0. Okay, this will be equal to 0. Okay, so we know that for converting T network to Z matrix, we know the format. Okay, we saw before how to convert T network into corresponding Z matrix. Okay, for Z11 we will be taking 2 and 4, 2 plus 4 which is equal to Z11. Okay, and then 4 which is the Z12 which is equal to Z21. Okay, and then is equal to 4. Then for Z22, here the given is nothing, no values, which is 0. So 0 plus 4 which is equal to 4. Okay, this is nothing but Z22 value. Okay, Z22 value. Okay, then we obtain the Z matrix which is 6, 4, 4 and 4. Then del Z is equal to 24 minus 16 which is 8. Okay, then we know the reciprocity condition for converting Z matrix into equivalent H matrix, hybrid parameters. Okay, this is the table required to obtain the Z2 hybrid. Okay, this is the standard table for obtaining Z2 hybrid. Okay, for converting Z2 H matrix we need this table. Okay, which is nothing but H del Z by Z22, Z12 by Z22 minus Z21 by Z22 and 1 by Z22. Then we just substitute the values, we obtain the corresponding Z H parameter matrix as 2, 1, minus 1 and 1 by 4. Okay, this is the way to obtain the equivalent hybrid parameters. Okay, in this video we saw about hybrid parameters and the methods for obtaining hybrid parameters. Actually, for any network given, we must convert it into standard T or pi network. Okay, so that we may obtain corresponding Z or Y parameters, and then we just proceed to the reciprocity table. From that we can obtain the equivalent parameter H parameter, which is a very easy method. Okay, we can see the next one in the next problem, next video. So thank you.